So let's work our way through the various apertures to see how it affects depth of field, aka background blur. Okay, so I'd like you to set your aperture to f2.8 or close enough if you have a different lens. And then I want you to take a picture, making sure that you focus on the object in the foreground. As you can see in this photo, I've opted for the beautiful pink rose. That's nice in focus, and you'll see everything behind the garden is blurred. That's our depth of field. It's just that shallow little window by that rose. Okay, so now we're going to see what happens when we change our aperture. I'd like you to now select an aperture of f4 and take a photograph. It will look quite similar to the last one, but you'll start to see changes soon. I'd now like you to change it to 5.6. Now you'll see there's a little bit more of the background coming into more clarity and focus. Now I'd like to change it to 6.3. And now 8. At 8 there'll be a lot more background in focus. You might sort of start to make out shapes of what they might be, but our rose will remain nice and sharp. Now I want you to put it on aperture 10. Take a photo. Now on aperture f13. At 13 it's a very different image to our first one. It's really coming together now. Now f16. And now on aperture f22. Now you'll see there's lots of the image in focus. We now have a much greater depth of field. So as you can see, changing the aperture really affects the depth of field, and now you understand it more, you should be able to get much more creative with your photography. I suggest you practice this a few times over so you learn the principle, and before you know it, it'll be second nature.